In this video, I'll show you how to unhide hidden apps on iPhone. So this is the only tutorial you need to watch, so I'm going to go straight to the point. So I previously made a video on how you can be able to hide apps on iPhone, so go watch that video from HowTo. So if you love to unhide your hidden apps, you can see right here, we previously hid Brave browser, so it's not here on our iPhone, so we hid it. So if you love to find it, you need to scroll down. You're going to see the hidden folder, the hidden file down below, so just tap on it. You can see you have been able to get the Brave browser. So hold on to it, tap on don't require face ID. So this app has been unhidden. So if you come right here and type in Brave, you can see Brave is now showing. So hold on to it. So I'm gonna go up, hold on to it. You'd see add to home screen. So everything is perfectly done now. So if you found this video helpful, make sure you share this video to people that need to see it, like and subscribe. Remember, this is the only video you need to watch to learn how to unhide your hidden apps on iPhone. I'll see you in the very next one.